Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be very special because I will be talking about certificate of authenticity. What is certificate of authenticity and how it can affect your sales, especially when you are professionally selling your artwork worldwide. So without any further delay, let's start this video. I will explain what is certificate of authenticity. So certificate of authenticity is a document that is issued by the artist himself or it's issued by the gallery that is representing the artist. So let's discuss what is exactly included in certificate of authenticity. For example, the title of this artwork is Kun Faya Kun. The second we have location and year created. For example, I've created this artwork in Karachi, so I will write that down. Karachi, Pakistan. So the third thing we have is medium and material. Medium can be watercolor, acrylic, oil, and the material can be canvas or paper. So I have done this painting on oil and canvas. The fourth thing we have is dimension or the size of the painting. For example, the size of the painting is 9.5 width x 12 height. So the next most important thing is you have to add your signature here and you have to add the date on which you have signed the certificate of authenticity. And you can even add your country flag to represent your country in a good way, obviously. So I have designed a certificate of authenticity for you guys. You can download it from the description below. You can easily, for example, you can double tap on this and you can easily. And if you want to add your country flag, you can add it here. And it will be nice if you add a picture of your artwork. For example, I can show you guys how to add a picture. If you find it difficult to design the certificate all by yourself, you can download this. Just make sure you have Photoshop on your PC or laptop. Otherwise, you won't be able to open this file just like that. It will give a good impact on your client. And if you wish to add your gallery name, you can add it right here. See, that's all you have to add in your certificate of authenticity. Now I will talk about why certificate of authenticity is important and how it can affect your sales. So it may affect your sales in a way that some buyers may refuse to purchase your artwork if you don't have COA, which is commonly known as certificate of authenticity. And it can also impact your price in a good way as it provides reassurance and to the buyer that the artwork is genuine and original. And over time, it may affect your price in a good way and your prices may increase. And last but not least, make sure to print this certificate on high quality certificate paper. You can get it from any printing service. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned something unique from this video. Something about art world and certificate of authenticity. So make sure to like and subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end.